Have you ever wanted to make a bun? Well, now you're in luck. Here are your directions how to make a bun. So these are the supplies to make a bun. So you need hairpins, which I have two different types. The small ones are for pinning the frizzies in place. The big ones are for pinning the bun in place. And then you need water or hairspray. In this video, I'm using water. And you need a comb, 2 hair ties, and a big hairnet. That is all you need to make a bun. So, first you need to make a ponytail. So I have a hair tie and a comb to make my ponytail. Second, you need to twist your ponytail around like this. Then you need to wrap it around to make a bun. You need to hold it in place and wait for the third step. Third, you need a hair tie, which I have here. And then you need to tie your bun in place like this. Pin them in like this. So in this video, I'm going to use 5. Ta-da! Fifth, you get your big hairnet. Then you're gonna wrap it around your bun. I'm done. Sixth, you get your hairspray or water. Then you need to spray all your frizzies. Then you might want to get your comb and comb them back. Finally, you get the small hairpins, and then you need to pin the frizzies in place like this. And this is how you make a bun. And now you know how to make a bun.